Cloud NAT is a fully managed network address translation service for secure, scalable, outbound connectivity for Google Cloud resources. Cloud NAT provides NAT for the following Google Cloud resources: Compute Engine virtual machines, GKE clusters, Cloud Run instances, Cloud Run functions, App Engine with serverless VPC access, regional network endpoint groups, so NEGs. There are two types of Cloud NAT. We have public NAT, which provides internet connectivity for resources without public IP addresses, and private NAT. So this enables private-to-private communication across networks. Let's take a look at NAT architecture. So on the left-hand side, we have a traditional NAT, which relies on intermediary proxies to route traffic, adding potential bottlenecks. And then we also have on the right-hand side here with Cloud NAT, the Cloud NAT eliminates I shouldn't have chosen such hard words to say, but intermediaries by assigning unique NAT IPs and port ranges directly to the virtual machines. So just be clear that you have the typical NAT proxy or the Cloud NAT. It's up to you what makes sense for your use case, but there you